Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you are doing well. Today's topic is switch case. Switch case can be defined when a user have multiple options, then he can select one of them. So for that, I will show you how to use switch case in Angular 12 and for that I will open my Visual Studio Code. Okay, here first of all I will create a structure for the switch case usage. For that I'll write here div and inside it I will write h2 and I will use here inline CSS like style and color, and here also I will write color and I will paste this multiple times, and now I will write here color like red, similarly here red, and uh, here I will write blue, blue, green, green, and here I will write brown. Okay, similarly here brown. Now let's check the output for this code. For that I will open my browser. You can see there are four elements and everyone is visible on our screen. Now we will implement switch case in this code. For that I will use ng switch. Okay, and wrap it with property binding syntax, and here I will declare a variable name which is present inside our tsl file, or here it is not present, so I will create it like color, and I will give here starting value like red and save it, and again I will come here. Now this is the switch case half syntax, and bottom I will write multiple option for the switch case. Like for that I will use here ng switch case syntax. Okay, I will paste it every remaining three, and here I will pass the value for the variable. Like this is the syntax for value passing. Okay, like here I will write red, copy it, and again paste it. I will change value down like blue, green, and brown. Save it. As of now we have selected first s2 element because the value is red, and in our ts file we have passed the value as red. Now let's check the output on browser. You can see only first element is presented on our screen. If we want to execute the second s2 element, then we have to change value inside our ts file. Like here I will write blue, then blue color will be present on our screen. Similarly here I will write like brown, then it will be visible on our screen. You can see this is the simple and basic usage of a switch case. In next tutorial I will create a simple restaurant menu bar, which is a user interactive, and we will create that app with the help of switchcase. In that tutorial, this concept will be easily complete. Sorry, easily completed. And guys, thanks for watching my video, and please like, share it. Thanks and have a nice day.